Hey, what's up, everyone? It's TechWares. Today is August 29th, 2025. The month is almost over. The year is almost over. Anyways, if you're using the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application, uninstall it. It's outdated. If you're even using the NVIDIA Control Panel, you're going to have to replace it soon as well. In the NVIDIA app, version 11.0.5.246, it's moving closer to just replacing the control panel. The NVIDIA app has replaced the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app, and now it's going to replace the control panel. Maybe it's about 90% there. So the NVIDIA app is going to be pretty much a unified application that's going to have features of GeForce Experience plus more, plus the features of NVIDIA Control Panel plus more. Okay, so that's the transition that NVIDIA is going with. But let's just read this article. So NVIDIA app update shows control panel transition is nearly finished. So NVIDIA reached an important milestone with its new software stack update. For years, the original control panel combined with GeForce Experience was seen as a mismatch and often confusing duo. Enthusiasts often skipped installing Experience, sometimes out of dislike, sometimes because they don't need driver update notifications or game optimizations, but mostly because it offered little beyond streaming features, not to mention the requirement for NVIDIA account. So yeah, previously, with the NVIDIA Experience app, you needed to make an account. You needed to be logged in to use it, which was completely ridiculous. A lot of people were put off by this, and you needed the GeForce Experience for Shadow Play. Shadow Play is NVIDIA's recording and streaming, I guess, features, whatever. So people didn't like it. Now NVIDIA application is really good. It's really great, smooth, has everything you need. And the NVIDIA app is a different approach. It's software that NVIDIA had been long overdue to release, considering the success of AMD software with its frequent updates and integration of multiple features into one single app. So if you have an AMD Radeon GPU, all you need is AMD software. I think it's called AMD software Adrenaline. And it has everything. It's one application. You don't need two applications like Experience and Control Panel. It's just all in one. So NVIDIA app is much welcome. So gamers seem to appreciate this method, and they still have the option to avoid installing the suite if they don't want. And here's the difference. There's the NVIDIA app on the left, and here's the control panel on the right. As you can see, the control panel pretty outdated as far as UI, UX. So here's the settings, the new settings that migrated from the classic NVIDIA control panel into the NVIDIA app. 3D settings, multi-monitor support, usability features, notebook enhancements. And I guess there's going to be more to come, of course. So a quick check shows the migration is nearly complete. Most important features are already available in the app. Soon, gamers will face a single decision: whether to install the app at all, since they may no longer be a way to choose between full functionality and basic display settings. That leaves the question: is anyone still using control panel features not yet included in the app? Highly doubt it. The app already goes further by integrating performance metrics, auto-tuning for overclocking, overlay support, and even DLSS controls. I haven't been using most of those features. Have you? Anyways. I think similar to GeForce Experience, it's gonna be sunsetted. NVIDIA is gonna get rid of it, and you're gonna be even the control panel. They're gonna get rid of it once every feature is transitioned to the NVIDIA app, and then we're gonna be good. Gamers are gonna be good. You download one app, it does everything. That's what people want. For Intel graphics cards or Intel graphics solutions, integrated or discrete, you have Intel, what do they call now? Intel graphics software. It does everything. For AMD, the graphic solutions integrated or discrete, you have in AMD software Adrenaline or just AMD software. And now for NVIDIA discrete graphics cards, you have NVIDIA App. One solution for each manufacturer, and then everybody's going to be good. So that's it, guys. Go ahead, go on the GeForce website and download the NVIDIA app if you're on GeForce graphics. It's amazing. It's a great app. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with it. Game ready drivers, studio drivers. You can optimize and tune your GPU. NVIDIA Shadow Play is great. If you don't use OBS, you can capture game highlights, record your screen, record gaming. It has also the NVIDIA overlay, which is good for metrics. You can see what's happening with your FPS, whether your GPU is getting utilized, your CPU. Also, NVIDIA Freestyle, which I don't know how many people use these days. So yeah, tons of features. Take care, everyone. Peace. Let me know what you think in the comments. Take care. It's TechWares. Have a great day.